There is these techniques most of Nigerian universities are using when it comes to admission processes, especially federal university. In this video, I'm going to show you step by steps and process how admission is being done, why you are getting admission and why you are not getting admission with yours. You'll be wondering why you score 300 and you apply for medicine or surgery and they did not give you admission, and someone with 250 apply the same course and they give the person admission. You'll be wondering why things happen like that, whether they are doing tribalism or all of that. No, it may happen sometimes. If university want to give admission, there are 3 steps they consider when they want to give admission to her aspirant. First one is state of origin. Sometimes they consider state of origin as one of the very important criteria that will qualify you for admission. The second one is merit list. Sometimes you have to do well in your exams to score high in order to gain admission to some universities and in some courses. And the third one is there is this percentage strictly going for educational less state. There are some states that are not proficient in education, so they have their own percentage, like 20% that is going for them, and in this percentage nobody drags it with them. Maybe you apply in medicine and surgery in University of Lagos, and someone from Sokoto also apply medicine and surgery in that same university. With your score, people from Lagos, they have their own percentage that university will give admission to them, that they have numbers. As soon as they reach that number, even though it's got 400 over 400, they are not going to give you again. The remaining percentage, like I said earlier, 20% is going for states that are not that educated, that they have less educated, they are educational less developed state. So, and someone from Sokoto that scored like 250, they gave him the admission. You'll be wondering what happened. The person from Sokoto benefit from the percentage that was given to them. It is all applicable to all states. When federal university want to give admission, they check each state, they give admission, they pick some 1 or 2 from every state, and before doing that, there is percentage allocated for every state. Like I said, 20% is allocated for states that are not proficient in education. So, and they are not even going to give like that. They will be going by the highest scoring. Like people that come from Sokoto that apply medicine and surgery in the University of Lagos, maybe 20. Maybe one of them scored 250. Then the rest score 220, 230. So if they want to give admission, they will start from the highest. Maybe they will pick 2, the one that scored 250 and the one that scored 230. Then they will go to another state and pick again. This is how it's being done. So if they have reached the numbers of students they need from Lagos State, regardless of your score, they are not going to give you again. They are going to check other states so that they can give them admission. So this is how it's being done. If you find this video interesting and impressive, please just try and like, share and comment. Thank you.